Short stories in English. The Little Match Girl. It was a Christmas Eve with heavy snow. A little girl was selling matches on the street. Matches, matches.
圣诞节前夕，雪下得很大。一个小女孩在街上卖火柴。火柴，火柴。
But no one looked at her. She had lost her parents a few days ago. And she was selling matches without a coat in the cold weather.
但是没有人看她。几天前，她刚刚失去了父母，在寒冷的天气里，她正在卖火柴。这么冷的天，连外衣都没穿。
She didn't even sell one box. The girl was so hungry that she couldn't even open her mouth.
她甚至一盒都没卖出去。她太饿了，甚至没力气张开嘴。
Then, a carriage came close to her. Trying to keep away from the carriage, she slipped and fell on the ice. And she lost her shoes. She had to walk on the snowy street with bare feet.
这时，一辆马车靠近她。为了避开马车，她滑倒在冰上，丢了鞋子。她不得不赤脚走在白雪皑皑的街道上。
Over a window, she saw a family gathered under a warm and bright light. They seemed so happy. The snow began to fall more heavily. Her body was frozen hard.
透过一扇窗户，她看到一个家庭聚集在温暖明亮的灯光下。他们看起来很开心。雪开始下得更大，她的身体被冻得更厉害了。
Even though she was hungry and felt pain in her feet, she couldn't go back home because she couldn't sell any matches.
尽管她很饿，脚感到疼痛，但由于一盒火柴也没能卖掉，所以不能回家。
Matches, you want some matches? The people walking on the street looked very happy holding each other's arms. But no one bought the girl's matches.
火柴，您要火柴吗？走在街上的人们看起来非常高兴，互相抱着对方的手臂。但是没人买她的火柴。
She tried to warm up her hands and feet, but it only made her hungrier. It's so cold. Why is it so cold today? I have to skip my meal today because I couldn't sell any of these matches.
她试图暖暖自己的手和脚，但这只会使她感到饥饿。太冷了。为什么今天这么冷？我今天没饭吃了，因为我没卖一盒火柴。
She lit a match to warm up her body. Even though it was a small light, it made her a little warmer.
她点燃了一根火柴，暖暖自己的身体。即使是如此微小的火光，也使她感到温暖。
She felt as if she was sitting right next to a fireplace. Oh, it's warm. She kept lighting matches.
她觉得自己好像正坐在壁炉旁。哦，好暖和。她不停地点燃火柴。
Suddenly, a table full of delicious food came up in front of her. Oh, it looks delicious.
突然，一个桌子出现在她面前，上面摆满了可口的食物。哦，看起来很好吃。
As she lit another match, a Christmas tree appeared. How beautiful.
当她点燃另一根火柴时，一棵圣诞树出现了。好漂亮。
She lit the last match. Then, her grandmother appeared. Sweetie, come to heaven with me. The girl's grandmother held her tight in her arms and rose up to the sky.
她点燃了最后一根火柴，然后她的祖母出现了。亲爱的，和我一起来天堂。这个女孩的祖母紧紧地抱着她，升到了天空。
The next day, she was dead and found in the street. Poor girl, maybe she tried to warm herself with these matches. People felt pity for the girl and buried her in the ground, in the sunlight.
第二天，她死了，在街上被人发现。可怜的姑娘，也许她想用这些火柴来给自己暖暖。人们为这个女孩感到可惜，并把她埋在阳光下。